Welcome to a new video. This weekend we're gonna be at a penthouse in Atlanta, but first I need to do a couple of things. One of them is to get a haircut because what is this? Like, I cannot show up to a penthouse like this. The second one is we have to go to the airport to pick up Rudy, and then we're gonna head to the penthouse. I hope you like this video. As you can see, I just got my haircut. I think it looks pretty good. Now we're gonna drive to Atlanta. As soon as you enter to the house, you can see to the right the kitchen, which was my favorite part of the house. Then to the left, the living room, which had amazing views of Midtown Atlanta. There was also a balcony, and this is again the kitchen, which was huge. And then you can see the hallway. This apartment had 2 bedrooms. This is the first one. Again, huge windows. And then this room also has a closet that I'm gonna show you later. After that, you can see the bathroom for that room, and it has only a shower, but it was great. After that, we head to the master room. This is the bathroom with shower and also a bathtub, which had amazing views while you are bathing, as you're gonna see in this video. And you go to the main room, which also had a balcony and a huge TV that I'm not showing in this video, but you will also see it. This is another angle of the kitchen and the living room, very spacious, and it also includes a fire pit. As I mentioned, I'm gonna show you the closet of the first room, which was very big. It was a walk-in closet. After that, we head to Antico, which is my favorite Italian restaurant in Atlanta. The vibes are always great there, and we got the spicy pepperoni pizza, which was delicious. We added some toppings to this pizza, as you can see, and this is my honest review of it.
Very good.
After that, we went back to the apartment. We poured some wine and turned on the fire because it was a little bit cold, and we started to listen to music, getting ready for the show that we're gonna go. This is my final outfit, and we were just having a fun time. After that, we got an Uber and we head over to Lauren's concert, and we had the chance to talk with her before the concert, before going out on stage, and she sounded amazing. Look at this. After that, we went to the bars in Midtown Atlanta, and that was the end of day 1. When we woke up the following day, we got ready and we went to have lunch because it was a little bit late. And while we were on our walk to the restaurant, we saw this little buddy trying to bring food to someone. I was impressed about the amount of these little robots on the streets. We got some burgers and some fries, and it was actually pretty good. After that, I decided to take a bath with the amazing views of Atlanta during the sunset, but also at night, of course, with a little bit more wine because we were celebrating. It was a very relaxing moment that I enjoyed so much. When I was done with the bath, I put on a robe and I went to the kitchen and I started preparing some snacks. I was still in shock about how beautiful and big this kitchen was. Like, I really want this kitchen in my future house. I was preparing some snacks because we're planning to watch our show, so I went to the room, I laid in bed and got cozy. Finally, we got munchies, so we ordered from Insomnia cookies. Oh my god, this looks so good. And that was the end of the weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and let me know if you would have spent a weekend in this penthouse.
This shit is good. So good, actually.